Hello everyone, so today's video I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter on a 2015 Volkswagen Passat. And this cabin air filter is easy to replace on a car or truck, whatever vehicle you have. It's easy to get through, so you need to get to the passenger side, and it's underneath that dashboard that goes to the glove box, which these ones, most cars, they're particularly different to all different models. Even models of them have a cabin air filter that you have to pull one of the glove box off, which this one you don't, which is on the bottom located for this cover, which is easy to get through to replacing the cabin air filter. This happens to be a 2015 Volkswagen Passat I have, which is underneath the dashboard, so it's easy to replace. I'm going to show you on how to replace the cabin air filter. Just need to get under, and there's the cover to get access to the cabin air filter inside, so you don't need a screwdriver or anything. It has some unscrewable clips that you just need to take out on both sides. Happens to have two, so don't lose this. The whole plastic comes right out, or foam, whatever it is. Just need to take those out. Just gotta make sure you buy the right size for your model. Just need to pry it all out. Boom, comes right out. You can see I just took the cover off, and you can see it's right in here. You guys can see there's the cabin air filter. So you just need to slide it, and it should come right out. Make sure you don't lose this cover. This one slides out with the plastic cover that goes to the cabin air filter. So you just need to pull it out. And the cabin air filter comes right out. You can see it is actually a little dirty, as you guys probably can't see, which it is right now. So we're changing it anyways because of the filter having a little smell into where it operates with the air conditioning. So more than likely your filter is bad. Usually if you have noticeable smell coming out or some odor smell coming from your air conditioning vents, that's when you know it's likely needing a new cabin air filter. And changing it gives you better airflow and better efficiency to your air conditioning system. And that's the reason is why I'm replacing it. You guys can see I just ordered a new cabin air filter off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can get one of these. Replacement cabin air filters, even if you're familiar to these brands, these are the best recommended brands that is made for the OEM cabin air filters, compatible as an OEM filter. So this is the one I actually just ordered off Amazon, which is not hard to find. These are typically the filters I have ordered, and really good to use on your car. It's fresh new out of the box with this cabin air filter. And of course came with instructions on how to install the cabin air filter on your vehicle. This is the fresh new one, exactly the same size. This one came with this rubber, so you don't have to reuse this, even if you have an OEM filter. So the old one, you could trash it, you can keep it as a spare, or if you have the same filter as before you had from the first filter you changed, you can reuse it. There is an option to reusing it if it's still in good shape and nothing has been torn on the rubber. Like I said, you can reuse it if it's in good shape. Don't think it's always in good shape, because if it's not good, don't reuse it. Don't recommend reusing it. We have the new filter, so we're going to put it in, and make sure you clean anything inside there, like excess of dirt or debris that's in there, which we don't. It's appear to be clean inside. That's the most important thing, is to cleaning it inside to make sure there's nothing obstructing the flow of air, so it doesn't cause air conditioning to mechanical problems with short cycling on the AC compressor or whatever it is on your fan system. That's typically the common cause of air conditioning system on a car, and it's likely to them where it could short cycle, even if you have a restricted airflow on a filter, where it becomes more to where you're going to have not enough good airflow coming to your car's AC system. So replacing air filter will save you from AC problems. So we're going to put in the new filter. Just got to make sure it lines to the tray that slides to the filter. Just need to slide in the new cabin air filter. Make sure you line the tray so we can go in for the cabin air filter. Just take your time in putting in the cabin air filter, and it slides in. So let's put in the cabin air filter lock tray back on. Just gotta make sure it lines to those grooves. Make sure it's completely in, which it is. Once you're done connecting the plastic tray that goes for the cabin air filter, this is what keeps the cabin air filter airtight so it doesn't cause lack of airflow or cause of poor efficiency with the flow of air. So this one is easy to open even if you need to change the cabin air filter, which we already placed the filter. So we're going to put the foam panel back on and we're done. Just need to put this rubber or whatever it is back on to the compartment of the dashboard. It goes to the bottom. Just take your time in putting it back on. Once you get it all in, just need to put back on those two plastic lock retainers, which they call those the screw-in retainers that locks this compartment back together, and make sure it's not coarse threaded or anything while screwing it in. Make sure it's completely in. And we're done. And that's how you replace a cabin air filter on a 2015 Volkswagen Passat. If this video was helpful, if it did, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button or notification bell so you'll be notified too, so you'll never miss a video that we upload on this repair channel. And have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.